and in this video we are going to learn how to convert from PDF to Word. So you can see here that I have a PDF file. It's actually a press release that my client just sent over. And now what I really want to do is to somehow convert this PDF file into a Word document so I can make some changes and editing to it. When it comes to converting from PDF to Word, a lot of us might have thought that we might need a special software for it, but there's absolutely no need. If you are using Office 2013 onwards, you can do it right within Word. How do you do that? Well, just open Word as usual, then click on Open, locate the file. Okay, so this is a file. It's a PDF file and we are in Word, but just click on Open it anyway. So now Word will convert our PDF file to an editable Word document. So click OK and wait for a few seconds, and now it is done. So now it's not 100% correct, so you can see here that there's a blank page in between. But for the large part of the document, it correctly converts into an acceptable format. So now all we need to do is to delete the blank page and we have an editable Word document. Now, what if you have a PDF file that did not originate in Word but originate from another Office application such as PowerPoint? Can you convert it into a Word document? Well, let's try and see how things go. So open Word again. Then click on Open, locate the file, and this is a document. Alright, click OK. So it doesn't get it right all the time, but I think it's acceptable. For example, for the first slide, it keeps it as an image, but then for the following slide, you can see here that it has correctly converted the text into editable format. So if you need just a minor editing, then try it out anyway, and if you're lucky, then it might be working for you. Now, many of you might be wondering, okay, so I have a PDF file that originates in PowerPoint or Excel. Can I go to PowerPoint and try to open it? Let's try and see what happens lah. Okay, so open, locate the file. All PowerPoint presentation. So now we need to click on this and choose all files instead, and click on this file. Okay. It doesn't work. This is because images are a lot more difficult to convert. So Word is now intelligent enough to convert to text, but if it is images, then the technology isn't ready yet. But still, if you know for sure that your PDF file originates from a Word document, then converting from a PDF file to Word will not give you a lot of headache. It will require some minor adjustment, but in a lot of cases, you can get it done in just a few clicks. Alright, so I hope you found this video helpful. That's it for now. Happy learning and see you in the next video.